The power of manifestation. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Feel the air filling your lungs as you inhale positive energy. You are a powerful creator. The universe is listening to your thoughts and desires. What you think about, you bring about. Visualize your dreams and goals as if they have already manifested in your life. See the images vividly in your mind's eye. Feel the emotions of already having achieved your aspirations. The law of attraction is real, like attracts like. As you focus your intentions on your ideal reality, you are magnetizing those experiences into your life. Believe with every fiber of your being that you can make your dreams come true. Have unwavering faith that the universe will deliver what you ask for.